Hello everyone, this is automatic electronic star delta starter with single phasing and overload protection. As induction motor takes very high current at the time of starting, so we need some device to reduce this high starting current. A star delta starter can be used for this purpose. In star delta starter, the motor is started in star mode, and when the motor reaches to 75 to 80% of its rated speed, then the motor is switched to delta mode, and um, this speed measurement is done by this IR sensor, and this IR sensor is continuously sending signal to microcontroller. And here I have given overload protection with the help of a current sensor ACS 712, and these three are my supply terminals. These three are connected together, and between Y and B phase I have connected this switch because I have to demonstrate the single phasing condition. So once I open this switch, switch, then B phase won't get supply, so the whole system will get turn off. And I have now the speed limit of this speed sensor is set to be 500 rpm because it is easier to reach 500 rpm manually. And for demonstrating overload protection, this iron is used. This iron is of 1000 watt, and as supply voltage is just 230 volts, so at some particular value it will definitely exceed 5 ampere because I have set the overload limit to be 5 ampere. We can increase this limit from 5 ampere to 8 ampere, 10 ampere, like that, and this speed limit from 500 rpm to 11110 rpm, like that, 15150 rpm. And this 6 are my motor terminals. This W2, this is the W2, this is V2, U2, and the W1, V1, and this last one is U1. So once, as we know, in star mode, these three are connected together and these are at zero potential. So these three are connected together and these three are at zero potential. So I have connected my lamp here. The lamp won't glow in star mode because these three are at zero potential, and once the motor switches to delta, then the lamp will glow because in delta mode this W2 is connected to my V1, and V2 is connected to my U1, and my U2 is connected to my W1. So and this green LED indicates that motor is on, either in star or delta, but the motor is on. But this red LED indicates that the motor is switched to delta. That's on supply. So now you can see the supply is on, and the LCD is printing as motor started, run in star. Motor is started and the motor now is running in star, and the same is indicated by this lamp because the lamp is off. And you can see that these three terminals are getting phased. You can see the phase, and the lamp is off. It means that it is in star mode. And once I increases the speed above 500 rpm like this, then the motor is switched to delta, and the same is getting printed here, and this red LED is on. And now I will create a condition of overcurrent. For overcurrent, I will increase the see, after the current exceeds 5 ampere, then the motor is turned off. Here you can see that it is printing as overloaded motor off, and the same is getting shown by this lamp because the lamp is off, and all these 6 points are not receiving any supply. So I will demonstrate single phasing. Again the motor is started. Now the motor is running in star. Once I increases the speed to 500 rpm, now the motor is switched to delta. And once I open this switch, means this V phase won't get supply. So it is a condition of single phasing. So our whole system should get turn off. Here you can see I have turned off the supply at B phase, means it is a single phasing condition, and you can see that whole system is off. And so here is the full project. Thank you.